Is your garage door struggling? Unusual noises might signal a problem lurking within your motor's depths. A reliable garage door motor is crucial for smooth operation and your family's safety. Don't ignore the signs. Grinding, clicking, or rattling sounds during operation indicate worn internal components. Act fast before it fails completely. A sluggish door or stuttering movement often means the motor is losing power. Your motor must handle the door's weight efficiently. Inconsistent remote control responses may indicate a failing motor. Troubleshooting won't help if internal components are at fault. Excessive vibration or shaking can lead to further damage. Regular checks ensure you catch issues before they escalate. A burning smell from your garage door opener is never a good sign. Stop using it immediately and consider replacing the motor. Older garage door openers lack today's security features. Upgrading can give you peace of mind in Arkansas's unpredictable climate. Modern motors include upgraded safety features like motion sensors and automatic reversal mechanisms, protecting your home and family. If you're experiencing repeated issues with your garage door motor, it's best to consult a garage door repair specialist. A professional can assess the condition of your system and determine whether a repair or complete replacement is necessary.